Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Mirabella Genio Wi-Fi dimmable 9-volt light LED. This is a color changing light that can be controlled with the app. This is the first time I'm using this, so I'm really looking forward to trying using the app. I installed the app before for the Mirabella Starship that I bought. That's in a different video on the channel. So we've got the instructions here and the bulbs. Now let's fix it and give it a go. So here goes, swapping it. So we've got the Mirabella Genio. Just adding one more. The second one, I mean. Alright. So we've got warm white light. Now it's blinking. I'm just going to go to the app and try out the different features. So I'm just trying the color changing options. So now we're going from warm white to warm yellow. So as you can see, there are a heap of options. There's the switch off and on button here. So it looks like I don't have to go up to the light switch anymore. It's right on your phone all the time. And you can make it dimmer. So it's like a really easy to use dial, and the colors instantly change. Like, how amazingly easy is that? And to add the lights, it wasn't difficult as well. It was super easy. I just clicked the plus sign and just added the two bulbs almost instantly, and it's ready to go. And you can change the scene. There are a few different design options, like different color themes, and on top of that there is also the option to sync with music. It's different color themes. That's a beautiful color theme. So it's got a few different colors and the lights automatically changing by itself. It's absolutely amazing. And there you have it, the Mirabella Genio LEDs. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have an awesome time trying out your lights. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and subscribe. Bye.